everyone. So today I was realizing that I actually didn't have something and I was amazed. You feel like you have everything and then you're like, huh. So I was trying to seal some of the Christmas cards that I've done in diamond painting so I can mail out to you guys that have sent me Christmas cards. Now I have not sent any out yet, but I'm working on it. So I'm trying to get them done so I can get them in the mail tomorrow. So I was trying to use my glossy accents here because that's how I seal them. And I was having to go look for a needle so I can poke a hole through. Even though I do that, when I'm done with it, it's still clogged. So I figured, why don't we just make, like a little glue stopper? Like I have this one. This came with this bottle. So it's just like a little needle here. So I figured, why don't we just make some? And how cute would that be to have one in all the different holidays? So that's what I'm going to be doing with you guys today. So what I have was, I found these in my stash. They are eye pins for beading. So this is what I'm going to use. Now, I'm sure there's tutorials on this. I didn't watch any. I probably should have, just to get an idea. But we are going to just wing it. So I figured I need two. One for each of my bottles here. I transfer my glue into this little one because I love the fine tip on this one. And then, like I said, I use this stuff all the time to seal my diamond painting art stuff. But I know it looks so pretty when you put it like on paper, just to like, make things glossy and highlight it. But I have yet to really use it for that. I think I might have done it once. So I just got some of the kits right here that I bought off of Michael's. And this is actually, I put these into this container and I bought these charms off of Amazon. So all of these came included. And then I just put it in this little case right here. So I figured we're going to use that stuff to go ahead and make some. You guys, I'm so sad. This is what I have left over of my favorite gold chain that I use for my chunky charms. And this is all that I have left. I went to go and buy some and apparently it's on back order. They're having some kind of like fulfillment issues. Even ordering from the website, it said it was out of stock. So I'm so sad. This comes from the ribbon section of Hobby Lobby. So they did put in an order to order me 2. I probably should have just like said, just give me 5, whatever they come in, just give me whatever you can. But I did 2, so hopefully I can get some of that in soon. If not, I'll just have to look around because I like the color of this gold. That's why this is my favorite. It's like the perfect width and the perfect color. That's why I love this one. It's different than what they have over in the jewelry section of Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna have to like take it with me and go cruise around at Joann's and Michael's. Okay, let me stop talking and actually let's get to work. So like I said, I have these eye pins right here. I'm gonna make 2, one for each of those bottles. I didn't bring a silver chain, so we are just going to wing it, and I'll use some jump rings here. So I have some little head pins here, and let's see what we put together. So like I said, I would think it'd be cute to have some for each holiday, so we are going to do classic Christmas red and green because that's what I love for Christmas time. So that's what I'm going to do today. Why am I holding this? I don't know. I don't need it right now. So let's just string some of these beads on. Probably should have brought my wire cutters so I could probably cut this down. No, that might be okay. So I just put some seed beads, and I don't feel like wire wrapping the other way today, so I'm just going to go ahead and roll it on down, which I think still looks cute and it's easy and quick. So we'll do that one for that. And I wonder if this would look like a tree. Let's see. If I put a green at the bottom like that. So it's just like this long swirly tube. What if I put a gold one? Would that look like a star? Actually kind of more looks like a candle. I wanted to do like a fake star, but looks like a candle. I don't like that. I'm going to take that apart. So tried it, don't like it, gonna take it apart. Let's see. Let's do, I love these crackle beads that came in this kit right here from Michaels. And it's perfect because I can save this and use it for Valentine's Day and St. Patrick's Day. This kind of looks like a cherry, doesn't it? That looks really pretty. Do I want to put, let's put some green seed beads to this. And let's see how that looks. So honestly, this is what I do when I put together my beads. I just kind of, you know, put something on, don't like it, take it off, redo it. So I usually show you guys when I'm all done because I feel like I take long and I feel like it's probably going to be boring to watch me do this stuff. That's why I usually don't do it on camera. But you know what? We are just going to do something a little bit different today and we'll see how you guys like it. Okay, I like how that looks. So we'll do that. I'm thinking maybe 4 pieces on a charm, maybe. So I'm going to do one in all red and green, and then in the next one I'll mix it up and add some white to it. Let's do the baby beads right here. So this is my smaller one from this kit. So let's do the red and the green. Where's this at? There we go. Oh, that's really small. Let's see. Oh, that's going to be really far. Let's see. Okay, that looks cute. I like it. We will leave that. And let's do one more. That might be a little too big. Let's do... What do I want to do? Should I just do 3? No, let's do another. I really like this green. I really want to put this on. What if I do a gold on the top and the bottom? Oh, no, but I wanted to keep it all red and green on this one. Whoops, just dropped one. I really like how this has like a little swirly to it. Oh, there's the one I just dropped. Okay, we'll just leave it. Let's go ahead and add that onto there. We're all done. Let's close these up because I will end up hitting them and then the beads will go flying everywhere and then I'm going to cry. And let's see. So let's start attaching them. I'll use this side, the smaller ones. So let's open these on up. You just take your jump ring and twist them apart. I'm gonna stick it on to our eye pin there, and let's do this one first. And let's put that on there, and then wondering if I could add another jump ring here, and then we'll just kind of do like a fake chain. I've never done it before, but let's try it and see how it looks. I might have to go and get chain to add this on because like I said, I've never done it this way and I'm not really sure if I'm going to like how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add this jump ring to the bead, and we're going to see how that looks. So see right there, I'm just attaching this jump ring actually to the bead, and then I'm going to stick this bead on there, and let's see if this works how I think it's going to work. Yeah, see, so it just dangles a little bit below it. So then now I'm going to add the next jump ring to this bead right here. I think it's going to work. So let's just keep trying it out. Do I want to do the charm all the way at the bottom, or do I want to do the charm in the middle? And I probably should have picked which charm I'm going to use for this one. Let's see. So these are a mix of gold and silver. I have a Santa here in silver. I have some snowflakes. So this is why I usually pre-plan out my videos and just kind of have things already done. I feel like I take long in looking around at what I have. Let's do the Santa. So I'm going to go to this bead right here. I'm going to go ahead and attach this jump ring to that bead. And I just lost my jump ring. Okay, let's try this again. Let's go ahead and oh my gosh, this thing is like twirling around. There we go. Put that there. Put this charm there. And we're going to close this up. See, how does it look? Actually, that's way bigger and longer than I thought. Let's try it out then. I might not even need those other ones. It doesn't fit. It doesn't even fit. Oh my gosh. I probably should have tried it first. So it doesn't even fit in this one. That's hilarious. Okay. So let's put this one back on there. Does it fit in this one? It works in that one. Yay. So it works in this one. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add the other two beads onto this one because since this is a bigger bottle, I feel like I could go ahead and add more beads to it. So let's do that. So I need another silver jump ring. And let's go ahead and open this one up. I don't know how to get the camera to like stay focused. It wants to like fluctuate. I don't like those for that. I think it's funny that it didn't even fit, but you know what? That is my real life in crafting. Like I said, this is why usually I like making things and then just showing you guys, because I feel like I'm such a mess of a crafter, you know? It's just like, I am no professional, but I tell you guys that all the time. I am no professional at crafting. I just enjoy doing it, and you know, this is how it goes sometimes. Things don't always work out the way we thought they were. And that is a wonderful example right there of it not fitting in that bottle. I think that's so funny. Okay, where's my last bead? Here's my last bead here. Oh my gosh, and then this camera just like zooming in and out. I don't like that either. I feel like I'm gonna give you guys a headache. I wonder if maybe another eye pin I have is thinner and will work. I'm gonna have to check and see. But here is our little dangle for a glue stopper. Let's go ahead and put this back on there. Let's see, how does this look? I think it looks cute, and I didn't even need a chain. I just kind of made up my own chain. I don't know, I might even add a couple more because this bottle is just so big. I think I could even, you know, maybe 2 more. I wouldn't be mad at it. So I have that. I feel kind of weird throwing away the cap. Like, I'm always so like, where's the lid? You know, where's the cap to it? So I feel kind of weird like just throwing that away. So I think I'm going to hoard it for a little bit. Just because I'm going to feel like really weird at throwing it away. But I like how this looks. I definitely want to make one for every holiday. I think it would be so cute and so festive. Because if you can see back here, I actually have like some of the stuff that, well, this is Halloween, but this is like, you know, my little gingerbread guys. Here are my little guys that I recently bought. I have a cup over there. So I actually do have stuff, you know, right here just to make it look cute. So I think I'm gonna love this right there. Let me see if I have another one that fits, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have my little case here, and I was looking through here, and none of them fit for this glue bottle. They're all too thick. But you know what I found that I think will be fun to try if I can think of another glue bottle to use it for? Maybe I'll use this for Valentine's Day. Is these are earring backs right here that I have in my stash, and it has a little loop right here. I think that would be really cute as well to go ahead and use next time, because look, I end up with like this pretty little ball on top, and then I could go ahead and do my dangle right here. So since this is the only glue bottle that I have that actually can fit this through, I'm going to go ahead and save this gold one and maybe save that for Valentine's Day. So my plan was to make 2. We ended up with 1 because that's all that would fit. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my mess of a video. I'm going to do the first 12 days of December. I'm going to craft with you guys. I really miss crafting, and I think this is a nice way to, you know, force myself to make sure I carve out time for myself every day to go ahead and make a video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. And in case you didn't know, I do have a little kind of exchange going on that I mentioned earlier in this video. It's pretty simple. You send me a Christmas or holiday card, and I will send you one back in return, and my address is in every single one of my videos. It's a PO box, so I would love to receive a card from you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.